Hello YouTubers, this is Holly with Fern the Camper. This is my happier camper HC1 named Fern, and welcome to my next episode, which is all about my first year as a YouTuber, posting regularly and what I learned in that time. And if this helps you, that is wonderful. If not, just have a good laugh. Here's what I've learned from YouTube after 1 year of posting regularly, 1 week, every week or more, sometimes 3 times a week, sometimes every day if there was a travel vlog series. This is what I have learned. Always have a backup video. You never know when things are going to go wrong. If you are sick, if you think you had something planned out and things just went awry, be it helicopters over your camper, be it your internet goes down, always have some footage that you can fall back on and edit just so you can get something out there. Just because you post regularly and follow all the YouTube rules and engage with your audience and do everything that is suggested for you, does not mean that you are going to do well in your first year. Similarly, a better produced video doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get more views. You can never truly expect how each video is going to be received or shown or watched or commented upon. Things that I was sure would get some excellent attention just kind of floated by the wayside, and things that I just threw out there just because I needed to stick something out there because it was that time again, really just took off. So you never know. You can plan and plan and plan, and you never know how your video is going to be received. Internet trolls are hilariously funny. They think they're so smart and clever, and they're going to say some words to completely deflate you, and if you read them out loud, you cannot stop laughing. I had one internet troll who decided it would be funny to go to one episode, and leave a really nasty comment. Now, this is normal for internet trolls, it's what they do. However, they didn't stay on the channel long enough for it to actually post. It went into spam, and that's where I had to find it. But what was also hilarious is that then they went to all my other videos and left the same comment because they got frustrated that their comments weren't showing. So ultimately, I got more views and my algorithm went up. Thanks, troll. You can't control the elements, and I am considering the internet connection as an element. There are times when uploads are not going to happen. Expect to meet some incredible people. Other creators are just other people who enjoy your videos and communicate with you. You will end up finding so many people who are like-minded to you and also share a passion for what you're sharing. For us, it's camping and RV living and national parks, but for others it might be something completely different like cooking or crafting. Whatever you do as a YouTube creator, there will be other people who will share your passion, and that will be a wonderful benefit for you personally and also for your channel. No matter how good your videos get, always expect there will be other people whose videos are so much better. Get over it. Just learn from every video and try to make each one a little bit better as you go. Get used to looking like an idiot in public. You will be talking to your camera and to yourself, and people might not know why. There will be videos that you spend ages making, then editing, only to find out that they are completely useless and you should not post them. Are you going to start with sprouts?
I don't know, I think the turkey is the main course. I think we should go with the turkey first, which was the
There will be other creators who post some really sketchy content content that you think, who on earth would ever want to watch this? And you will get frustrated that they have millions of viewers. Someone will be saying the same thing about your videos. YouTube is always changing the game. Just when you think you understand how everything's going to work, you've clicked into the algorithm, you've uploaded TubeBuddy, everything is ready to go, they change the rules and you feel like you're at ground zero. Don't worry, just keep plugging along. You will be able to roll with these changes and things will eventually work out much better for you. Give yourself a lot of time to edit and then re-edit and then learn new software and then realize after 3 months that this software is completely useless because the free version does not upload even HD, let alone 4K. Be prepared to go back to whatever freebie you had on your computer, and that's okay. You don't have to drop loads of money on new equipment, and you shouldn't. It's going to take years for your YouTube channel to take off, if it takes off at all. So don't drop loads of money in this unless you just really, really want to. Expect to get burnout. You might have 50 ideas that you think will see you through the year, and more ideas will come as you go, but expect to have days and weeks, sometimes even months, where you're like, why am I doing this? This is a waste of time. If you have an 8-year-old, prepare to be upstaged. Every time.
So I wrote this book this morning. It's called Travel Stamps. And I stamped some things in it today. So I brought the stamps. They're in they're in the pocket of my raincoat.